Here's one for extra storage on my Bigfoot. Put a couple of containers up there. As you can see, let's see if I can climb up here without falling and holding the camera in one hand. So I just put these little clamps on there. See there, that box. And it's really secure. Got a little bit of rain. You see it's a little wet. Sorry for the finger in front of the camera. Kept the rain out. So that's good. See, I'm just cutting the bolts off. Put one bolt to the other side there. One here. So basically has three. So that adds some storage there. And up on the roof here, this storage container. I just put one clamp there, one there, so there's two, but I've joined them together, and you can see how, hopefully you can see that, how solid it is. There's not much movement. Once I load some stuff in there, it really hold it down a little bit more with some weight in there, but I was actually pretty surprised how solid it was. I thought I was gonna have to run some sort of strut across from one side to the other to stiffen it up, but those hangers really work well. Yeah, I don't know, you can't see that very well, but I was lifting on it. Yeah, it's really secure. I don't know if I'm gonna put any kind of scoop on here to basically, it'd be nice to have a little deflector for wind resistance so it would kind of blow up. But I think it might come off the top of the camper and maybe deflect some of the air up for the aerodynamics. But anyway, this is a good way to add some much needed storage on my Bigfoot. And yeah, I bought that. The camper came with that box. Bought this one a little smaller. The Canadian Tire wasn't very expensive, and it adds quite a bit storage for stuff.